The WeWash Box is a modern billing system for shared laundry rooms, enabling digital payments and the convenient booking of available washing machines and tumble dryers. You need one WeWash box for each washing machine and dryer. We have the right WeWash box for every manufacturer and appliance type. Each laundry room's first WeWash box connects to the WeWash network via an integrated SIM card and antenna. Just position the antenna in the area with the best reception. Once you have plugged it in, the first WeWash box will automatically connect to the WeWash network. All other boxes then connect automatically. Setup is done in the WeWash partner board, including usage prices and account details. We monitor the laundry room 24/7. If irregularities or errors are reported by users, we will contact you. We handle user queries directly. The WeWash partner board shows important data, such as the number of wash and dry cycles and current turnover. Users can check availability and reserve appliances via app, website, or phone. If all appliances are in use, users join a queue and get notified as soon as it is their turn. Load laundry, select program, add detergent, and start the appliance. Users are notified as soon as their laundry is ready. Payment is made digitally, for example by SEPA Direct Debit, PayPal, Google or Apple Pay, credit card, and lots more. Let us know how many washing machines and dryers you have, and we will send you a suitable offer. Once you have placed your order, just send us the details of your appliance, and we will send you the appropriate WeWash boxes. Then all that remains is for you or your caretaker to install the WeWash boxes. Switching to the WeWash box is simple and cost-effective. We look forward to hearing from you.